All right, well, here's something. Last weekend, I had to move the dual sport, went up in the woods. This weekend, I thought I better move the street bike. So, cruising down this river. This is the Yaquina River. You come down here, and then right about here, you get to the point where you can see the bridge. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Whoa, that was fast. All right, there's the Yaquina Bridge. So this road continues on around, right around the water here, and all the way around there by that tank over there, and over there you got the terminals where all the big fishing boats come in, and that's the Newport Bayfront. Right down there, right at where the water is, right along all that. You got the Embarcadero and all the boats, and then you got fishing boats and all that area there. And not a bad day. Someone going out do a little fishing. Right down the river that way. Or would that be up the river? That would be up the river, right up the river, Sawyer's Landing. They got boats there and a marina to park your boats at, and a campground, and a bar, and all that stuff. So we're going to go ahead and hop back on the bike and continue this little spin. I'm just running down the river here, going in Newport. Or something I need to look at down there in Newport. And just enjoy a little bit of time. No matter what you got, you need to get out of the house and go. Bicycle, motorcycle, four-wheeler, dirt bike, side-by-side, Jeep, whatever you got. Hiking, just get out and do something. After you watch the videos, of course. All right, I'll go ahead and get moving down the road again.